A ham and smoked Gouda grilled cheese breakfast sandwich sounds absolutely delicious. Here's a recipe to guide you in making this mouth-watering morning treat. Ingredients: 4 slices of bread, your choice of bread, such as sourdough or whole wheat, for 6 slices of ham. 4-6 slices of smoked Gouda cheese. 2 tablespoons butter, softened. 2 large eggs. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat a skillet or griddle over medium heat. Take 2 slices of bread and spread butter on one side of each slice. Place the buttered side down on a clean surface or cutting board. Layer the ham and smoked Gouda cheese on top of the bread slices. Place the remaining bread slices on top, buttered side facing up, in a small bowl. Beat the eggs and season with salt and pepper. Dip both sides of the assembled sandwiches into the beaten eggs, allowing them to soak for a few seconds on each side. Place the sandwiches onto the preheated skillet or griddle and cook for about 3-4 minutes on each side, or until golden brown and the cheese has melted. Remove the sandwiches from the heat and let them cool for a minute or two. Cut the sandwiches in half diagonally or into desired shapes. Serve your ham and smoked Gouda grilled cheese breakfast sandwiches while they are still warm, and enjoy. Feel free to customize this recipe to your liking by adding additional ingredients such as sliced tomatoes, spinach, or even a dash of hot sauce for some extra kick. Enjoy your delicious breakfast sandwich.